everyone, welcome to this video where we are required to express this algebraic expression in its complete square form. After which, solve this equation. Okay, so at this point, right, it is perhaps good that I always so in order to express as a complete the square form, I would then need to add something bracket square minus something bracket square, and I still minus 12. Okay, so this is to make sure that this expression still same, but I add this bracket square is because I would want to make this. How? You might wonder. So this is the way to do it. We always divide by 2 and then I look at the number in front of x, the coefficient of x, positive 6. And after which, this will become x plus 6 over 2, and this will, if you calculate this well, this will give me negative 21, and to end off, 6 over 2 is actually 3, so I'm going to write it neatly, x plus 3 bracket square minus 21. Alright, and therefore find P and Q. If I compare P and Q, I would then be able to write P is equals to 3, Q is equals to negative 21. Okay, let's move on to part B. Hence or otherwise, solve this particular equation, and I realize that the left hand side is the same. Therefore, I'm going to use the complete the square form now. Alright, and for part B, then I would then have minus 21 equals to 0 using the result from part A here. So x plus 3 bracket square, going to add 21 on both sides of this equation. And the moment I square root it, there will always be a positive and a negative square root. So there will be 2 answer. Alright. Therefore, the final answer would then be minus 3 on both sides. To 5 SF followed by 1.58 to 3 SF. Okay, then the other side would then be and this will be the final answer. Alright, welcome to the end of this video. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.